This is one of several hotels adjacent to the Dubai World Trade Center, and despite it showing the room rate on the sign outside, there's not a single room available. It's chock-a-block, and this is very much the story across the city of Dubai. The reason being, well, not so much the start of the Chinese New Year, but the fact that one of the biggest events on the calendar is taking place at the Dubai World Trade Center.
Now in its 37th year, the Arab Health Exhibition and Congress attracts healthcare professionals from across the world to what is the largest medical event in the Middle East.
Arab Health is a two-stage event. We have the exhibition, which is made of about 3,000 exhibitors from 70 countries. We have a specialist section on the laboratory. And the second element is the Congress, where we expect around 6,500 delegates to all receive continuing medical education qualifications while they're here.
The growth in the UAE healthcare sector is expected to be around 16% annually, with expenditure looking to rise to $11.9 billion by 2015, offering significant opportunities for public-private partnerships, provided the environment is enabling.
Any public healthcare policymakers who are looking to invite the private sector in, they need to have three critical things. The first of all is a strategic vision that includes the private sector in their healthcare provision. You need to have leaders in a position of authority who can make decisions about how far they want to engage the private sector. Without that, without strong leadership at the top, very little will be accomplished. And we saw that throughout the UAE. The second is having the right governance arrangements in place. So having an independent regulator, or at least a separate regulator, who can stand above the service delivery and hold it accountable for delivering quality. So that's an essential element we found to success. And thirdly is performance measurement. So in order to incentivize the private partner that you've now brought in, you need to understand what your baseline is and then incentivize them by measuring their performance over time. So the key to accountability is information.
As well as business development, Arab Health is also about innovations across all healthcare sectors. A mind-boggling display of products and services offered by more than 3,000 exhibiting companies from over 70 countries.
And talking of innovations, Arab Health for the first time is embracing social networking sites like Twitter and Facebook. And StayingOnline.health is an online buyer's guide to sourcing across the globe medical products and services. We're online and we're staying online now to take a look at the importance of this event to the Dubai economy.
Well, we're expecting over 70,000 attendees. Last year was 71,000. We look at about 10% increase on year. We've done an estimation that brings into the Dubai economy around 90 million dirhams, which goes towards flights, hotels, tourism, people going to shops while they're here as well.
Arab Health making a very healthy contribution to the economy of Dubai, as can be seen by the number of people enjoying their restaurants and cafes here. And if the event continues to grow at the rate it's enjoyed in the past few years, over 78,000 professionals are expected to attend this year's Arab Health. This is Phil Blizzard for AMIinfo.com.